Some rooms feel alive, bathed in soft daylight that shifts with the sun. Others feel dull. Even with the lights on, they never feel quite right. If your home feels shadowy or flat during the day, this one's for you. Let's talk about the art of engineering light and the smart, beautiful ways to bring more of it in. Light does more than brighten a space. It transforms how your home feels, shapes mood, supports wellness, and even impacts your energy bill. Hi, I'm Tony Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and today we're diving into 3 powerful daylighting tools: Skylights, Clerestory windows, and sun tunnels, and how they can turn dark corners into stunning, light-filled spaces. Skylights, daylight from above. Skylights are the classic overhead light source. They're perfect for interior rooms without exterior walls, like hallways, central kitchens, or bathrooms. There are fixed skylights for constant light, and vented skylights to release humidity, and even tubular skylights for small or narrow areas. And placement is key. South-facing skylights add warmth in winter. North-facing lights offer soft, even light year-round. Clerestory windows, light plus privacy. Clerestory windows are installed high on the wall, sometimes even near the roofline. They bring in beautiful natural light without sacrificing privacy or wall space. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and great rooms. They layer daylight from above, they allow furniture or art on walls below, and support passive heating when positioned strategically. They're especially effective when paired with lower windows to create a full, even wash of light. Sun tunnels, light in surprising places. Have a dark hallway, closet, or powder room with no windows? That's where sun tunnels shine. These tubular daylight devices capture sunlight from the roof and deliver it into interior rooms, creating bright, natural light without needing exterior walls. They're ideal for homes with tight floor plans, urban properties, renovations with limited roof access. You'll be amazed how much light a well-placed sun tunnel can deliver. Other tools for natural light. Looking for even more ways to bring daylight indoors? Consider these additions. Transom windows above doors for extra light. Light shelves that reflect sunlight deeper into rooms. Even stained glass for mood, color, and privacy. Mirrors and glossy finishes to bounce and amplify daylight. And of course, floor-to-ceiling windows where privacy allows. Design tips to maximize light. Getting light into a room is only part of the story. Here's how to make it feel good. Use layered windows to catch light at all angles. Paint ceilings a light, slightly reflective color. Add diffusers or blinds to skylights for control. Use corner glass to catch sunlight from multiple sides. Plan for seasonal sun. Let in winter sun, block summer heat. Designing with light is about balance, not just brightness. What about rain or weather? Modern skylights and sun tunnels are built to handle the elements. With proper installation, there's no leaking, just soft, filtered light year-round. Some even come with rain sensors that automatically close vents during a storm. So you don't have to choose between comfort and peace of mind. How to choose the right daylighting strategy. Well, first start by identifying which rooms feel dim during the day. Where does privacy matter? What kinds of light you prefer? Bright and energizing or soft and moody? Your home's orientation and roof layout. From there, it's about selecting the right combination of solutions. Skylights, clerestories, sun tunnels. They each serve a different purpose. Engineering light isn't about adding windows randomly. It's about intentional placement. It's about designing homes that feel bright, breathable, and deeply livable, no matter the time of day. At AV Architects and Builders, we believe your home should feel as good as it looks, and that starts with the light. Want to explore daylighting strategies for your home? Schedule a discovery call with our team. We'll help you find solutions tailored to your layout and lifestyle. And don't forget to visit our Learning Center for more ideas on bright, healthy, and energy-efficient design. Leave a comment, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Let's design a home that feels alive with light, morning to night. Bye.